It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.
Hey, so fam, what's going on, y'all? Did y'all miss me? Y'all, I've been so busy doing 3 days work, 12-hour shifts, some weeks 4 days, and 3 days of clinical. And I try to squeeze in a video in between, but y'all, it's been rough. But I made it through the last term with a B, my second B, so I'm good. I'm not upset. I still don't have a 4.0 anymore. I'm down to a 3.8, but that's fine. I'm still molding along. 1 class and 2 clinicals to go. How y'all doing? I know you're like, girl, what you been up to? And I know what somebody's going to, like, what's this on your lips? It's this. I bought this. Girl, this thing has to be about 2.5 years old. I bought it at a CVS while I was still living in Houston. And it's a Manology lip gloss. It says red my lips. I wanted a red lip gloss, but I didn't want it to be as red as my shirt. So this was perfect. And my eyes. I put all this over so I can remind you. I used the Man Eater palette by Tarte. Y'all, this, out of all the palettes I've purchased, I love this the most. And it's nearly not as much as the Natasha Denona or the Pat McGrath's. And I really love this palette. You get some really, really cute looks out of it. So, yeah. Oh, and my nails. Yeah, I did these a couple of weeks ago. I meant to tell you about it. This one right here, it say, let me tell you what it say. Talk to the palm. Talk to the palm. I thought that was so cute. That was cute. And I'm telling y'all where I got these from Maniology. Sent me some more of the stamping plates. These the 2 plates, and it was some black and white polish. So I honestly went and got me some ombre nails done. And then I did my stamping. I took off the clear coat and went back in and did my stamping on top. And I think it's really cute. I'll put the link for Maniology down below for anybody that's interested. But today, y'all, I had to come. I'm sorry. I know most of y'all are probably tired about these wig reviews. But it's summertime and I've been in a wig kick. This is the Feeling Mighty unit that I got from Hergivenhair a few months ago, and y'all, I love this hair. She just makes me feel mighty. You know, when somebody see my hair, like, oh, she got a lot of hair. Oh, she should plait the hair. They don't like, oh, that's a wig. You know, it's like I got a lot of my natural nappy hair, and I can wear it just as funky or as neat as I want it because it just looks so natural. So, with that being said, we got another Hergivenhair unit, okay? When they reached out to me and said, hey, we made some new hair, some new units, and this is going to be a challenge, I'm going to tell y'all. So let me slow down. This unit is from Hergivenhair. And it's not actually a unit. I'm going to tell y'all why it's going to be a challenge for me. Because I got real thin, gray edges that I don't like the color all the time. But because this unit was so challenging, because it's not a frontal. It's not even a 5x5 or 4x4. It's a half wig. And my hair is super thin. But we're going to make this work. And this video purposely justice. We can wear whatever we want to wear. You know, we can make it look good. Okay, so here's the box. And what's in the box? Oh, this is pretty. Okay, they're going to help me make it work. All right. They was thinking about the thin edges and thin hair people in the world, which would be me, you know. Nobody else had a problem. I have it. So they gave us, oh, this is really cute. That's really cute. They gave us some scarves that we can tie up on the wig. And it looks like we got some, you can never have enough headbands. I know I can't. This is cute. headbands to rock with it. And I think this is one of those whole headbands because I'm sure I already have this one. And I don't care because I absolutely love these like tube type headbands that you just put on from the back and pull them up. Yeah, I love these. I really do love these. They hold your hair right where you want it and in place. So I got those 3 things, and now for the main attraction. Hair. And don't worry, if y'all looking and loving Philly Mighty, I'm gonna put a link to Philly Mighty in the description. Cause baby, she is the bee's knees. I love this hair. I didn't say that. Okay, in here looks like we have the 3 1/2 wig. It's 18 inches. I know I like short hair, but we're gonna work with it. Texture, color. It's the texture is curly. It's 3B, 3C hair and a natural color, and the size says it's a free size. Yeah. Hergivenhair, thank you for thinking of me. We got some combs in here. Okay, if you want to sew some combs in, I like that because I love sewing my combs in to hold my hair, you know, where it needs to be. Oh, this hair is soft. Oh, and it's combs in, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be showing it to y'all, but we're gonna just look at it together, okay? This hair is really soft. It does have just a little light chemical smell, which you would expect because it's curly hair, and I'm sure they have to, you know, chemically treat it to get this hair. Oh, this is cute. I was worried, but I'm not anymore. This is so pretty. You can even do a ponytail if you know one of the people that got that super thick hair that's curly. That's what that is. You can squeeze it into a ponytail. This is the inside of the cap. Okay. Alright. This is the hair. It's super, super curly. I like this. And it's not real heavy. It's not real heavy. And then they even put, you know, a little bit of hair around the front in case you wanted to wear it that way. I like this. I really like this. This is not, you know, this is super full, super thick. This is real natural nappy hair, and I love that about it. But this is kind of like, if my hair has some length, this is pretty much how it would look because it's so, what do you call it? I got that real, my grandma used to call it chicken sucking on your hair, that real thin, natural curly hair. But I like this. So let me quit talking so much. I'm going to go ahead and take this unit off and we'll put this one on. Okay, guys, you see how thin my edges are? That's just that way because my hair is super thin. Really thin. So this should be a quick and easy video. Let's just hope. I know I'm going to want to wear one of these. I just don't know which one yet. I could put this one on, but I think I just want to go with just a regular headband. I know I don't have on anything leopard, but I want to give it a try to see if I can, you know, actually wear it that way. So let's see. You got one comb on each side, and 2 longer combs in the back. Let's just see how we make this baby do what she do. This is pretty. Oh, I can wear it with a headband. You know, it don't have to be so close up because my edges are so thin. But if I pulled it back and then put the headband about right here, that's perfect. It don't have to be so close up to the front of my head. I like it. Oh my goodness. And y'all can just see, you know, where my little edge is at. And most of the time when I get these, I have to have my headband way down here and it looks weird. But I can actually pull it back like this. This is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I am truly surprised. I was just thinking, how am I going to wear this with my thin hair? Can y'all see that? This is beautiful. Oh, this is every day. This is my new everyday. And I got hundreds of these headbands that I just could not find the right hair to wear it with. This is perfect. Okay, y'all. With these thin edges, or if you got them thick edges that can make this look even more, realistic. But for me, I am shocked. This is the first hair wig that I have ever been able to just, do me and be me in. This is cute. This is really cute. And it's not heavy. This hair is so light. Oh, girl. Y'all don't know how happy I am. I got so many of these headbands. Okay, let's try it on with my tube headband. Oh, you know what? Let's do a scarf. Hold on. I'm just going to pull this down here. And let's see how this scarf. How could I wear it with the scarf? I just want to wrap it. I just want to wrap it around and do.
I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak what happened with
My hair is just a mess and I don't want to go out the house today at all. I'm just tying it up in a scarf and laying on the couch because I'm just not feeling doing my hair today.
this one time, let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run, baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it.
From them old black and white movies. Y'all know? Do y'all remember them? Matter of fact, Thelma on Good Times used to rock these darn things. Am I going too far back? Y'all stop me now. Don't let me go too far. Yeah, like that. Of course, it be folded better. It ain't folded right. But y'all can kind of get what I'm saying. Where it's still hanging. Y'all get it? Y'all don't get it? Well, I was trying to do it fast. I think it's cute. I like this. I really, really like this. Especially with these. Because I think I like it. I like it. Okay, y'all gonna be seeing a lot of me in this hair. Let's be clear. I don't want no discontinuations, y'all. No discontinuation. No failure to understand. And when y'all see me, you don't have to ask, girl, what hair you got on? It's the Hergivenhair half wig. And this is cute. You can't tell me that. I don't even want to hear you think about telling me it's not. This is cute. And so natural looking. And just for me. And my thin hair. That's just natural. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, I'm still talking for nothing. Okay, y'all, it was wonderful seeing y'all. I will see you again more likely tomorrow because They just delivered my Temu haul, y'all. It's a little bitty, but y'all know I can't stay away from Temu. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Stay blessed. Bye, guys.